think we've gotten so used to debit cards not having any kind of rewards to them. I'm also starting to realize that a lot of the banks don't really have an up-to-date app compared to the very few ones that have a very advanced, stable app. But today, this video is sponsored by fintech company Current that changes it all. What is up? I'm Brandon Young. On this channel, I teach you how to make, save, and invest money. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss a beat. As you could take a look from the background, you could see you got some purple in there, you got some yellow, you got some blues. If you haven't realized, that's my favorite colors. Bam! You got the purple, you got the blue on the card. I mean, come on, man. I know this is not really relevant, but this is what stuck out to me. The colors of this card are beautiful. They really stand out, as well as, I don't know if you can see that, my front name is on the card, but where's the number? There's no number there because the number is in the back, which I find to be a very good security feature, especially in this time of credit card skimming, all these different card scams going on. It's good that they got this security feature because Current makes you know that they got you covered. In its entirety, we didn't really learn too much about finance in school and specifically banking, but with this app, they take a lot of the hard parts of banking and they simplify it. So let's go over a couple of the things that they've simplified, made it easy to use on their app. First things first, we all love money, right? Especially if you have a job, you're working at 9 to 5 and you're waiting for that Friday to get your paycheck. I know I'm always waiting for that paycheck. Boy, do I love the smell of money on a nice Friday. But with Current, you're not gonna get your paycheck on Friday. Nah, you're not gonna get your paycheck on Thursday. You are going to get your paycheck on Wednesday, up to 2 days earlier. Man, oh man. And all you gotta do is set up your direct deposit through the app, and it's simple. It's about 2-3 steps. Shouldn't take you more than 4 or 5 minutes, and you're all good. Now, Current does have a premium account that is only gonna cost you what you would pay at a Starbucks to buy a coffee. So, you know, you buy all that coffee anyway. Why not put it into something that's gonna help you with your banking life? This premium account is going to give you spending insights. It's going to give you access to spending pods. It's going to give you access to the categorization of what you're spending your money on, which I find very helpful because you get to know where your money is going on a daily basis. I mean, come on, man. You're gonna get instant notifications and you're gonna get much, much more. Now, they do have a free account as well, but you're not gonna get as much as you would on the premium account, so I would recommend the premium account. But for whatever reason, if you can't get the premium account, I do recommend that you can get started with the free account. Now let's go over one of my most favorite features of this card, which are the points. Yeah, you may have heard that wrong, but I said points. Typically, debit cards normally don't have a point system, but with Current, you're getting points on your debit card, which is not something that we normally see, but they do have. Now, the way it works is you go on your Current app and you're able to see what stores around you are actually involved with the point system on Current, and you can get up to 15x points on purchases. 15x. Credit cards usually giving you that 1x, they're giving you that 2x, maybe you get a calm 3x, 5x for special promotions, but you're getting 15x, up to 15x, like that's amazing. Now I know a lot of you are gonna have questions in regards to it being a fintech company. So if it's a fintech company, where's the physical banks? Where am I gonna go ahead, go to the ATM, take my money out, put money in? Well, if you are depositing a check, first off, you don't need to go into the bank, go to the ATM, put the check in. You can do it through the app. All you gotta do is snap a picture of your check and it's deposited. Like, come on. And in regards to them ATMs, they got over 40,000 ATMs throughout the United States at your disposal. All you gotta do is go to the app and they'll tell you which ATM you are able to access. Oh, you want to put money in? No worries. Current is going to give you access to over 60,000 stores that you can also deposit your money into on a daily basis, which is amazing. A very underrated part of this app is going to be the savings pods. Now, me personally, I'm very goal oriented and I need to personally see what I'm trying to save towards. So Current has this option where you can use the savings pods and you can use it towards achieving something like a goal. This could be your Lambo, this could be your house, this can be any type of goal that you're setting out to get. So now you got no excuse. You got no excuse on why you're not saving any money towards what you're trying to achieve. So go ahead, use a savings pod. Go get your bread, go stack that bread, get that Lambo, get that Bugatti, get your mansion, whatever you're setting out to get, go ahead and get started with that. If you have friends that are using Current along with you and they need to pay you back, you know, you want your money, you need your money now, you have the ability to instantly be paid through Current by your friends sending money through the app. I'm not going to tell you, this comes in clutch, specifically when people need to pay you your money on time. They got no excuse, especially if you guys are both using Current. It can instantly pay you back. There's none of that, oh, you know, my check-ins in the savings, savings in the check-in, so you know, it's going to take 3 business. Nah, they can run you your bread right there and then. I know it's a lot of technology to soak in and there's a lot of good things going on with this app. If you are interested in getting started with this app, you're gonna go ahead, go to my description, you're gonna go and check out the link in my description and you're gonna go ahead and sign up. Now maybe you wanna get a little bit more information before you go ahead and get started. Still go ahead, check out the link in my bio, go check that out. Go read about Current. They're gonna have the FAQs, many questions that have been asked, and they're gonna answer them for you. Or maybe you wanna go ahead and read more about the company itself. Bada bing, bada boom, do either one, but you're gonna learn more about it, and more than likely you're gonna end up going ahead and getting started. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go and give me a like. Go subscribe to the channel for more content like this one. I'm Brandon Young, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.